Hello and welcome to Best Forex Team and the BFT AUTOTRADER. My name is Chris and I'm one of the creators of the BFT AUTOTRADER and one of the expert traders with the Best Forex Team. This is meant to be an introductory video to show you about the BFT AUTOTRADER. The BFT AUTOTRADER is 100% automated Forex trading in your trading account. We've had 24 profitable months in a row. In fact, we're closer to 25 months now, and we haven't had a losing month yet since we started offering this. We work only with regulated brokers, which is extremely important. So your funds and personal details are always safe because we only work with regulated brokers. How is Best Forex Team better? Well, with us, you have full access to your account at all times, obviously. Our software and our performance both have won multiple awards, which we would be happy to share with you. With our AUTOTRADER, our system trades are placed in your trading account. So they are placed in our account as well, but you have full access to your account at all times where the trades happen. The performance is spectacular. We have 34.2% profit return on investment per month on average, of course. Some months are as high as 100%, some months are lower, but average 34% per month profit. We average 189 trades per month, completely automated, so obviously a very active system. We have 73.2 of our trades overall are winning, are profitable. So that's pretty substantial as well. With our AUTOTRADER, you can follow all of the trades on your mobile device or your iPad or your computer. It's very simple and we'll help you with that. You can withdraw funds anytime you want or deposit funds anytime you want. It doesn't matter because we work with regulated brokers. It's your money, so you can add or cash out your funds anytime you wish. Also unique with us, we don't make a penny until after you make money. More on that later, but that's unique. And also important, we are offering a $200 per referral if you have friends or family that may be interested in our service after you're comfortable. About our AUTOTRADER details and performance, we have 2 automated systems that trade the 6 major Forex pairs. We have software that constantly scans 4 different time frames for trade opportunities that have a 70% chance success rate. So if it's less than 70% chance, we don't take the trades. All of our trades are placed in our master account as mentioned, and then they're instantly copied to your account in a split second. So essentially, you are taking every one of our trades that we take and nothing outside of that. Again, 34% return per month, which we're very proud of, 189 trades per month, so we're very active, and 73% winning trades, which is also a nice little statistic. That's basically it for the introduction. There are a lot more details that we would love to go over with you. If you're interested, reach out to your account manager and get in touch, and we can answer any and all questions that you have and hopefully get you activated. Thank you for your time.